Hi guys, again, I'm in Sainsbury's. This is July the 3rd, 2020. I'm going to show you some of the barbecue stuff we've got going on here. So I'm going to if you subscribe to my channel, you can tell I go out to the shops in real time and I see the prices, so you can then check online and see if it's cheaper. So I always have these videos every week, so it helps me out and it'll help you guys. So enough of that. That's £9 for that instant cold. No, this is £5, and that's the inner bags. Now, home is the Sainsbury's range of instant lighted charcoal bags. So now you've got this stuff here. I've never seen this one before. That one, by the way, was a £5. This one's £3.25. And you get 40 individual sachets. Great for open fires, stoves, and campfires. I've actually seen this one before.
This is the colleague note for Michael Window, contract 66 as Michael Window. Thank you.
And then we've got this Barbercue Be Quick. That's up for £1.75. This is like blocks, isn't it? And then you've got like home arranged barbecue lighting cubes. That's £2.75. I'm not going to say if it's expensive or what I think. The only thing I don't like is things made in China. That's actually produced in the UK, that one. And you've got your usual instant barbecues. So the big one is £5.50. That is a disposable party size. You guys get the drift. Right. That's up for £5.15. Then you've got trays at £2.25 for the small. This is again part of the whole range, and I keep clattering the camera. I know. Tony, stop battering the camera. Right, this is a bucket barbecue. It's up for £10. Right. But that's the problem, guys. It's made in China. Boycott them. And then you've got like this, which is interesting, which is the barbecue sausage roller. That's up for £7.25 today. Then you've got barbecue skewers at £1.25. But again, that's produced in China. That's a quick look at that, guys. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.